Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is October 12, 41 variant question number 6. Topic is work power energy, mass 0.2, particle starting from here with speed of 8. It is thrown like this and is going this way. And speed is, it is a B, B, C smooth, this smooth, but this is rough. And find decrease in speed from B to C. So what speed here and what speed here, it's a difference. So because thrown, so applied force not there, so friction by applied force is 0. And friction force not there, so this is 0. And that this is a magic formula I use always, because this 0, so mechanical energy at B, and this I bring on this side. So it means mechanical energy at A and B are equal. So let's apply plan A to B and then A to C, or I can go for B to C, no issue. So let's apply AB. So kinetic energy plus potential energy at B is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy at A. Okay, at A. So what is this one? Half mv square. Bb is question Vb square, and mg is 10. Height is 2.7. Okay, this is what half mv square. V is 8 and height is 0, so this is 0. You can see mass cancel, divide by whole m, save our time. Half bb square plus 27, this is 32, and goes there. Half vb square equal to 5, and vb square equal to 10, and vb is root 10 meter per second. So half job is over. Now I can apply on B and C this formula, or AC. So I'm applying AC. So this is apply on AB. Okay, AB. Now applying on AC. Okay. So mechanical energy, kinetic energy plus potential energy at C level, and equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy at A level. Okay. This is same. So you can say half m 8 square, and height of A is 0, so this 0. A have come 32, and what is a half? A to M, we see my target, so VC square and half, so M G H of C is 3. So divided by M, what happened? M will cancel, I got a half VC square and 30 here. 30 goes there, becomes 2, half BC square. So BC square equal to 4 root of the whole thing. I got this one, 2 meter per second. So difference in speeds. We can find it root 10 minus 2 is 1.16 meter per second. I think this is the answer. Let me calculate again. So root 10 and minus 2. Yeah, this root 10 minus 2. Yes, it is 1.16. Okay, 1.16. Let's go to the next part. And next part, he's asking here, so that particle is traveling from C to D and find out the speed at midpoint. This is a midpoint, so what is the height? So half height is here. The 1.5 meter height. And this is a velocity as m is question mark. And he says the particle at this moment is 0, so stops at D. So, but first problem is of rough, so we have to apply full formula now, this formula full, okay. So work done, first I'm applying on C onto D, okay. Work done applied force minus work done by frictional force, work done by applied force, frictional force, kinetic energy plus potential energy at the end spot D, kinetic energy plus potential energy at start spot C. This is 0 because it's a launch only, given a speed only, no applied force. This is my question first of all. Kinetic energy at D is 0, potential is also 0 because 0 height. So both are zeros here. Okay. Half into mv, C speed is 2, half mv squared, negative into positive, negative mgh, mg, and h of C is a 3 meters. So here 3 comes. So minus work done by frictional force. This is coming 2, so 0.4 with a negative sign. This is coming I think this is 2, so we got a 6, so minus 6. So minus 6.4, minus cancel, and we got a work done by frictional force is 6.4 joules, but from C to D. But I need to find the midpoint, so work done by frictional force from C to M is half, so 3.2 joules, okay? So why it's half? Because distance are same, and and frictional force also same, that is why half. Okay, now I'm going to apply metric formula from C to M, so C to M now. Okay, work done by applied force minus work done by frictional force, kinetic energy plus potential energy at the end is M. I given this name as an M, midpoint. Okay, so minus kinetic energy plus potential energy at a starting C. This is 0 and this is, it's a 3.2, and this is what, half 0.2. Vm is my question, and mg is g, and height is 1.5. Okay, minus half into mc. C is here too. Half 2 square. Minus plus minus, so mgh. mg is 10, h is 1.5. I just solve and get the Vm, and not a big deal now. Here I have minus 3.2. Here I have 0.1. Because this cancel, Vm square. Okay, let me type all this thing. This is 2, so this 3 comes, this 3, and minus this 2, so 0.2 into 2, and minus this is a 0.2 times to 10 times to 1.5. It is coming here minus 0.4. It goes there, so wait a minute please. I did some mistake, let me check again. 0.2 times to 10 times to 1.5 minus half into 0.2 into 2 square minus 0.5, 0.2 into 10 into 1.5. It is coming answer, yes, 0.4, and 0.4 we have here, and let's check. Okay, there is one mistake here. The height of C is not 1.5, it's a 3, so this is 3. Okay, this is a mistake only, and now as answer is coming 3.4, negative goes there, so 3.4 become positive, 3.2 negative, 0.1 Vm square. Here it got 0.2 and 0.1 Vm square, it goes down, so Vm square is 2, and Vm is root of 2 is 1.41 meter per second, and that is our answer, and that's it, question finished.